The Carpentry program is accredited with Apprenticeship Manitoba and offers students interested in a career in carpentry a head start along that path. The skills and knowledge developed in this program are transferable to many of the construction trades and even to jobs unrelated to construction. Students simply curious about carpentry can also benefit from this program, as they are all potential home buyers and may wish to do their own home repair and renovation projects. A typical day in the Carpentry program consists of an hour of classroom time learning construction concepts terminology, blueprint reading and construction math, and 3 hours in the shop for compound working on a wide variety of projects. In the first semester, students learn how to use many of the tools in the shop with a focus on safety and precision. Students learn how to measure and how to transfer information from a 2-dimensional drive to a 3-dimensional project. Students work on a wide variety of benchtop projects based on developer tools, skills, and precision in measurement. The students' major project is a 10 by 12 storage shed. They learn the basics of framing and sheeting, as well as learning how to install roof coverings, roof trim, and siding. Many of the skills developed in the first semester are reinforced and developed further in the second semester. The focus is on residential construction, from the footings to the exterior finish. The major project is a ready-to-move house. Students construct the floors, walls, and roof of the house and install all the exterior finishing products, including doors and windows. They also construct the interior partitions and install insulation vapor barrier and drywall. Minor projects include footing and foundation mock-ups, scale model stairs, and interior finishing mock-ups. Many students graduating from the program have gone on to successful careers in construction, and some now even employ recent graduates of the program.